What is up to my brilliant gang? What is up to my brilliant squad? It is your girl Brilliant Bree here, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the brilliant gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. That fry was irritating me, y'all. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in for another freaking video. I know you can see from that title, I'm going to be trying Burger King's Impossible Whopper today. Now, you guys, I'm not going to do too much talking, but I do want to say I do not usually like Burger King, but I am going to try this Impossible Whopper. I don't know if a lot of you guys know, I may have mentioned it in a couple of videos, or I may have not. But I went vegan for a short period of time, and after I got the hang of it, it really wasn't that bad. So maybe I'll like it. Who knows? And I know you guys can tell I haven't been doing a lot of mukbangs lately, and it's because I've been thinking about going back vegan. So that's just to throw that out there. If you guys have been wondering why I haven't been doing as many mukbangs, I'm trying to get to saying mukbang. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump in and try this Impossible Whopper. I have me a Coke and I have me some french fries. I got the meal, so we're going to jump right in. I've had a Junior Whopper. This tastes like beef, y'all. You want to keep it real. Let's eat some more. Move this paper. Look at that Coke strong. This is pretty good, y'all. I don't know if it's because I've been vegan before, and so I kind of have the palate for it. This is what I be telling people though. Being vegan isn't that bad. You can literally make anything. Just all about seasoning and what you pair with it. I don't normally eat all the stuff on a burger, but I figured maybe I should. Now, I was saying, the people on the commercial, like, oh no, that's beef. Like, I think they were a little bit dramatic, but it does taste good. That's really good. I wouldn't be surprised if it's a burger patty and they're saying it's plant-based. That's pretty good, y'all. It's actually really good. I can tell it's not like real beef, but see, I don't like Burger King anyway, so it tastes better than the Whopper Junior to me. The real test will be how I feel after I eat it. If I feel like real full and weigh it down, because that's what like meat and different stuff does to you. It weighs you down. And when you eat stuff that's good for you, you don't feel weighed down. It was good though. I'm probably gonna eat the whole thing. I'll definitely be going to get another one, y'all. Especially, excuse me, especially since I'm thinking about going back vegan. Last time I kind of jumped into it, I kind of like went cold turkey and just ate strictly vegan food. But this time maybe I'll transition a little bit into it. There's some stuff everywhere. They stuck together. I'm gonna say this. When I'm eating it, I can tell it's not real beef because of the aftertaste. Now, this is strictly my opinion. I haven't watched anybody else's videos or any other opinions except for the commercials I saw. But I can tell off the aftertaste. But maybe that's how Burger King burgers are anyway. Pretty good. I'll definitely be back, Burger King. If you like Burger King, definitely go try it. Even if you don't like Burger King, because I don't. But I'll be going back for this. I only used to eat Burger King because my ex did. She loved Burger King. So I would get like some chicken nuggets or a spicy chicken sandwich or something like that. Excuse me. I cannot believe I've sat here and ate a whole Burger King burger. That should tell you it's good. It's gone, y'all. It's gone. Alright, you guys, so that is going to conclude my taste test, food review, whatever you want to call it. You guys, that Burger King Impossible Burger is the bomb, okay? I can only tell a little bit from the aftertaste that it's not real beef. But like I said, maybe that's how Burger King burgers taste. I wouldn't be surprised if it was real beef and they passing it off as a plant-based burger. Whatever. Thought I had to burp. Now, I really don't eat a lot of beef, y'all. So, my taste palette might be a little off to have an opinion about it. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh. Anywho, so my taste palette could be a little bit off, but it's really good in my opinion, and I think you guys should really go and check it out. Like, it was delicious. I've never ever finished a burger from Burger King, ever. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse me, y'all. These burps coming out of nowhere. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye.